Bali starling, the endangered jewel of Bali. Introduction. The Bali starling, scientifically known as Leucopsar rothschildi, is a captivating and critically endangered bird species native to the island of Bali in Indonesia. Renowned for its striking appearance and melodic song, the Bali starling, also referred to as Rothschild S. Mina, holds a special place in both the local culture and global conservation efforts. This article explores the unique characteristics, conservation challenges, and ongoing efforts to save this iconic bird from the brink of extinction.